Montpellier is a major scientific hub in France. There are over 10,000 scientists here, 72,000 students. It's a very dynamic city. It's a very beautiful city. It's well positioned geographically. Fantastic climate, and also the Mediterranean Basin is one of the second most important biodiversity hotspots in the world, with several thousand endemic plant and marine species. So it's a very important place ecologically in the world, and that's why having an ecological conference, it's a very suitable venue to have an ecological conference here. The participants are having a wonderful time. Many of them have discovered Montpellier for the first time. It's a fascinating city. The Quorum is well positioned in the center of the city. This is very important. People can walk in and walk out easily without any transport. Last night we had a beach party at the beach. They discovered the beach, the sunset. It was wonderful. So I think so far everybody is loving Montpellier.
There's an awful lot of work and different aspects that go into the conference. Montpellier events have been fantastic. We've had a lot of help. It was great to have branding at the airport, and everybody within the conference centre has been very helpful as well. It's great to have a dedicated person. Claire has been amazing, really good help for us throughout the conference. The venue itself, the flexibility of the rooms, there's a lot of different rooms, different sizes, which would fit all of our sessions. It's nice to have it all in one area, and obviously it's centrally located within Montpellier as well.